Hello, my name is Aryan, and I am a hyperistic pencil artist, and I am displaying my work at Anubhuti Art Group. We are having a exhibition at Sumer Club, and the name of the basic theme of our exhibition is Samvad, and this is my work in which I have described a woman in her basic selfless expression, and yeah, it is a 3-year old work, and I've done it on graphite with charcoal and pencil on paper, and the work is 2 years old. I did it in 2023, and now I'm displaying it on this day. And yeah, thank you so much for this exhibition.
આ વિડિયો ગમ્યો હોય તો લાઇક કરજો, મિત્રોને શેર કરજો અને ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં.